What is this guy doing? Okay, that guy just ran a red light. Did you guys see that? He legit just ran a red light. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? Really good, I hope. Thank you. I'm doing great. It's a Monday. It's actually a federal holiday, President's Day, I believe. You know, like that fucking asshole needs a day, but that's a whole nother topic. Oops, did I say that out loud? Great times. But yeah, normally everybody and their mama has this day off. Even all of the schools in New York City are closed for a fucking week. Can you believe that shit? For a week. And my damn job can't even give me one day off. Anyway, so to rebel, I'm showing up like an hour late, and I'm gonna leave like an hour early. You know, that will show them. That will really show them how angry I am. But one beautiful thing about these holidays, like school holidays and federal holidays, is that a lot of the traffic is gone. I mean, look at it. The streets are empty. You'll see on the BQE when I'm cruising that there's literally no traffic, which is kind of nice. Can't beat that. Another new development is I'm running my brand new tires. I just put on Saturday, 2 days ago, but this is my first official ride longer than 3 blocks. I put on Bridgestone Battlax T31s, and these are like sport touring tires, and they're brand new. They just came out the other week, so I'm really excited to try these. And they have a lot to live up to, because my Pilot roads, those were my fave. Big fan of Pilot roads. Look at this fucking sand or salt. Terrible. It's insane. That salt is crazy on the roads. That's the only issue. Like, there's no snow, because they were expecting a snowstorm the other day, and it didn't come. So now look at how much snow there is. There's like, that snow is there with nothing to melt, and this person just fucking doesn't even know what the fuck is he doing. Like, look at this shit. Fucking weirdo. Did you see that space? He literally is like a car length behind. Strange. But that's why I pull up to the front, because I don't know what that guy is doing. Smells some rubber burning. I don't know. But yeah, normally, I don't know if you guys remember, but normally there's all sorts of traffic right here. Normally, like, I can't just pull up to the thing. And the first, like, couple 100 miles, 1,000 miles, I gotta be really gentle with these tires too. I gotta scrub them in. Make sure that they are up to code before I push them. But yeah, supposedly these tires are really good at, they're really good. Look at, what is this guy doing? Okay, that guy just ran a red light. Did you guys see that? He legit just ran a red light. He gives no fucks. But yeah, like, I don't remember what I was talking about, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about the Bridgestone tires. Anyway, yeah, so the idea is that it does not take as long for the tire to warm up, because it's an all-season tire and a rain tire, and when you ride in the rain, the tire cools down, obviously, because of the water. So that's why it has to be not a tire that takes forever to warm up. That's what makes a good rain tire as well. And, you know, all the grooves that disperse the water. And these tires, I must admit, they have a lot of that. They have all sorts of little technologies to assist. So we shall see. I have never ridden a Bridgestone tire before. Not very familiar with them. So this is my first experience with Bridgestone. I'm a Michelin man, but look at this shit. Beautiful wide open BQE, the way it should be. this morning. The air smells good. The temperature is perfect. The highway is wide open. Not a bad day after all. Pow on that side. Gorgeous. So yeah, this is why I love it when the kids are out of school, because all the traffic is because of school children, you know. It's crazy how the city changes because there's no school. Look at this, no traffic. 8 o'clock right now, and there's no traffic. And we're just fucking cooking it with butter. With that butter. This fucking guy. This fucking guy. There's a little bit of traffic here because people just can't help themselves. People are just like scared of progress. It's just human nature, really. Beautiful, beautiful day. It's supposed to be on nearly 50 degrees today, so that should be pretty damn good. And that guy was gonna pass me, but then that's not gonna work here, buddy. I'm a motorcycle. You don't pass a motorcycle. Come on. That guy is on my ass really close. You think he's gonna be alright? Fucking dick. Can't drive for shit, can ya? I wonder if that's what I ride like. Probably. Like some aggressive douchebag. Yeah. I just answered my own question. I do. So yeah, so far these tires are good, but I'm also not leaning, and it's not that cold, and it's not rainy, so far the tire is performing like a motor tire would. No surprises, no any crazy thingies. Gotta watch out for salt. I'm sure they salted the shit out of this damn neighborhood of DUMBO. Here we are. This guy is turning to the right, but went left. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but you know, that happens. That happens sometimes. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing. Come on, buddy. Come on, Ford Flex. Flex that. But look at that. Everybody's gone. Because a lot of people are traveling this week because they have a week off. So it's kind of like, dude, what are you doing? What the hell kind of fucking stop is this, you dumb fuck? Like, I don't understand when people stop into the corner. It's like, am I the only one who took freaking a license test? Because like the things that I do that are douchebaggy, oh, that car is beautiful, V10 S8, damn. They have to do with getting ahead. They don't have to do with like parking and just like being a douchebag like this person too, double parking, you know. But I'm gonna have to just let it go. I'm gonna have to be okay with this. Look at these people. I guess it's a good day to move. It's a good day to move. There's some snow on the left, some snow on the right. All good. I'm gonna see what kind of parking we got closer to the real world. We shall see. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. I went quiet there for a second.